Yo, E.
You thought of me. I don't know if I can hold up these expensive conversations you have.
Ain't that why we trade, man?
Hey, man, it's still taking some used to, getting used to. To be honest with you, I be feeling like the banana in the tailpipe around the corner sometimes. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? You got to get comfortable, man.
You gotta get uncomfortable to get
Yeah,
comfortable,
man.
man.
Right.
Yeah, going back to all-time highs. Shit.
Yeah. Ain't nothing to stop. That's
Nothing to
just some of
stop.
that wick.
Like it start getting tighter and tighter. It might open up
That
tonight and
was a
hit it.
great. Wait. Go back down. That's a great OTE entry, bro. No. Go back to daily.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah, even you can use a weekly too, but that's perfect, man. Run that field right there.
And it's confirmation right here.
Oh my goodness. I ain't even looked over there. I promise I ain't looked like one time.
Oh no, I was staying focused on NQ. But yeah, low, fail low.
OTE, that's probably 70. From here to here. That's 70 entry and a gap on the right side. That's textbook. Well, that thing came to white meat
White meat.
and a gap. That's a hell of a
0.
swing. Anybody watching this, what is it? They don't get no better than this. They literally don't. Train your eyes to see this range from here to here and see the retrace back, and then take out the swing that you fell from.
But watch this right here. I was talking to teams about this Saturday.
Oh,
Look at this. That's the gap. Look at this.
yeah.
And ain't that your 15-minute TF? Hold on. Watch this. Came back what?
50% at least.
Yeah.
Might
Came
be
back.
right at 50%.
Came back. Hit the TFA line at 816. Pushed on up.
Shift, retrace,
Whew.
entry, shift, retrace, entry, shift, retrace, entry,
Shit. It gave it here.
shift,
It,
shift,
it,
retrace. That one even better. The second one.
whew.
Did it hit the OB?
Nope.
Well, yeah,
Yeah,
technically
yeah.
it did
Yeah.
because all three of them was OB, yo.
Yeah. Higher, 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 higher to the king.
Man. When was that? When did they do
Friday,
all that? That's
Friday, Friday.
oh, that's sorry.
It was Friday.
And it still ain't finished the model.
Nope. Nah. But that's a hell of a move.
Can I just what?
Hell of a move.
Just gotta train your eyes to see it. See that little move right there. This
Oof.
back up, back up.
See, and for me, I would only take a OTE TFA if step two confirmed.
Take,
Like, oh yeah.
then take the swing. No swing, he's got to take it in this process going up.
Oh,
Double back, go right through the with the 1.5.
oh, shit. More than
I
1.5.
know I did more than that, but I'm saying if you was just trying to be a robot and just do 1.5, you'd have got that.
See, because this green is the gap. This red is the confirmation step two. You're probably looking at nah, I ain't gonna do it.
How far you would have
'Cause
went.
huh?
How far you would have went.
15-minute level. Out of it. If I catch TFA like that, I'm looking at a 15-minute level. So I probably would have took it.
Oh yeah.
I probably here. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then we're like, fuck. Because you look at, from there, you're looking at that's enough. That's 13. 1,300.
Throw the film on this right there
I got you.
and see
Nah,
the extensions on it. I want to see what it look like.
it's gonna piss you off.
No, that's,
There it is.
yeah, 0.5 would have got you to the cap.
Yeah,
Over one would have cleared it.
but shit, take me to the king.
Yeah, yeah. Don't get me wrong, I said, but like I said, shit, man. I'd have been good with I would have been good at 1.5. I'd have been good with 1.0. Once you start getting past 2.5, you're like, all right, let me start looking left and right for sure. Yeah. It just kept going. It's probably at 4.
Man, that thing outside,
That's
outside.
out there, bro. That was a hell of a day.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's a hell of
That,
a up move day. That's a straight buy model, straight what do you call it? Buy day. Buy
yeah.
program.
So, Boyd, if you're looking to trade this, Boyd or E, if y'all looking to trade this, would you want a retracement back to a 4 hour level before taking the next leg up?
Yeah.
Huh?
Are you
Oh, I thought you said something. My bad.
might not come back there.
Mm. So, what retracement would you be cool with? To a 15-minute level?
No,
Because I
no, no,
mean,
no. That's a personal question.
That's
You,
on you. You talking
you
about
know
from
that,
where it's at right now?
where is
right,
that right now? Mm-hmm.
Oh hell, man, they could do, man.
man.
Well,
Go.
okay, let's say it go your 4 hour level. This your range as of right now.
Mm-hmm.
That damn thing come all the way back to here
Right.
and then go up there.
And then go up there. That's what I'm
So
saying. I was looking because you said you missed it, you wasn't looking at it. But now that it's kind of on radar,
No,
would you,
no. You stay looking at it.
you still ain't
No.
looking? Okay. I'm just saying if one wanted to like trade it or
if
whatever.
you wanted to trade it,
Hmm.
well, you gonna get in that. What would you do? What would you
I
like to
don't
see?
Jig
know.
it. She
But
gonna jig that
I,
shit. She
E,
gonna
no, E, I did good on Friday with
I'm
my
asking
new
you a
PA.
question. What would you like to see?
I would want a deeper retracement since we have expanded so much. So I
Deep
would,
retracement into where?
I mean, it's 2 4 hour levels. I don't know. Put a fib, Boyd.
you asking something that's expanding right now to come all the way back down here.
No, and I know
What's it
you
like to do
said.
it?
I know you said one ICT says one is an expansion. You can't look for it to come at more than like 50% because it may not. That's why I was just like, just run a fib just to see or whatever, because we've got two bullish gaps beneath.
Might not come there.
Right.
Might not. You gotta be willing to take it from a premium. And then you gotta ask yourself, Are you okay with it?
Okay.
And on top of that, what's your target?
Mm-hmm. I mean, all-time highs would be the target.
Okay, so if that's the case, okay, so let's just say, for all intents and purposes, let's say it come back to hill.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What's your RR from if it come back to here to take it back up there? I would assume this is your target, right?
Well, if I had, it just depends a few contracts. Like if I have like several contracts, I would take the first initial level and then leave a couple of runners for the all-time high because I know gold like to play games.
I know, nigga, you lying.
Yeah,
When the hell you ever let her run her, man?
I
mad
did,
sweat.
I have.
Try Jesus, not me, man. You ain't never let
Yeah,
no
man.
runner. Come on, man. That shit
Like,
sound
leave a
good,
runner
man.
on goal.
Come on, man. Come on, man. She trying to sound smart on the Zoom.
What that we knew him.
Right, man.
Don't do me like that and say nice one. I'm just saying.
You
Y'all,
telling
Hey man,
y'all always picking on
you
me.
know
hey,
what? You ask questions. You like to ask questions after shit. You done started running.
I know
uh,
Your
because
style is
I
your
noticed I
style
used
is
to get
come
in
in
the
after the fact.
I know
uh,
because and y'all
You
always
need to
say
holler at Rips.
right
Rips a breakout trader.
and I don't want to be a breakout or J Crew, so I'm waiting for me not to get in an expansion because I noticed a lot of my trades were like,
nigga,
oh
you got to
snap.
expect it on Friday.
No, on Friday I had good entry. Don't play with me.
That was expansion.
I was not trading expansion. I
You did
promise
trade
you.
the
Hey,
expansion.
I
can we see
did
what?
not.
Can we see the trade? Can we see
I
said
took
trade?
two, I took two I took two trades when we were selling and I waited for the retracement during macro. And then I took three other trades when we were
Sound
when
like
we hit a
expansion to me.
reversal.
I like expansion.
That
It was
you in the
not
distribution.
expansion.
Yes, you
It
were.
was
You in the
not.
distribution
I
leg.
was in a retracement.
It's still no. It's still
No,
it
no.
was a tracement of the expansion. That's what you told me.
Okay, all right then. But I waited to macro and no, I did what I needed to do.
I would like to see the trade.
Okay,
If
go
if
Can you show it to us?
if
okay,
you ain't take the 930 gap lower, then you jigged it. That was the only entry.
okay. I didn't take the 930.
Exactly.
I took a 950 something.
You
Boy,
was in
go
there
to
previously
Well,
N.
low.
that's macro. Okay, I would like to see the trade.
Okay, can you go to
Damn,
N?
all the debating. Let me see the
All
trade, and
right,
then we can make
because
our own
y'all told me to
determination.
come back Sunday and I'm here. All right. Boy, I took okay. Go back. Okay. Right there. I took that.
Hold on, squeeze it. Let me see what's going on. I
Can
don't
I
know where I'm at
I think I
in
can
the full
annotate because I'm
scheme of
sick of
things.
this.
Okay, good.
How you annotate? Where you go to annotate? Because I'm not
Jig that shit.
I did not jig it. Boy, I did not jig it. I took it right there. How you annotate? Where you go to annotate?
It's the
It's on there
pencil.
somewhere. See that pencil?
The pencil.
Look for the
What
pencil.
pencil? Under apps? Under where?
Nah, it's just a little pencil floating in the air.
Right.
You'll see it. It's usually on the left side somewhere, near the border or whatever.
Mm.
Just a little pencil that's just like floating in space.
Okay, I see it. All right. I took right. No. Wait. I took right here. Right there. That was my first entry.
Why you didn't take the 930 gap?
Okay, first of all, I wasn't by my computer at 9:30, so I saw that we had this displacement and I was
Hold on. So you telling me you made your whole decision on what the whole market was doing from, and you didn't even check out the whole scenery before
I
930.
did, Boyd, I knew we were selling. So I wanted to wait to the macro. When I saw price was rejecting that SIBI, that was my cue to get in. And I do short targets. So I got in right there and I took it right here. Wait, I think I took it like right here.
Man,
And
you a
then
So you
negative,
took it
man.
that way.
Man, short
I'm just
position. No. Short position. You got in here. You had a 58-point stop loss, and you went 44 points.
okay, but my stop loss wasn't that all the way up there.
Okay, what was your stop loss?
I think it was like
What was your stop loss?
I think it was like bring it down some boy.
But no, that's proper
What
risk.
was your stop
I'm
loss?
just
We curious to know.
all
That's
right,
why
it was
I
on
would like to
it
know.
was literally on like all right, yeah, it was a shorter stop loss.
Okay, but where did you put it? Well, we want to know
Like
where you
right
put it.
there, like literally like right there.
Okay, now is that proper risk management?
I mean, it probably should have been higher, but that's where I wanted to put it at. So I enter right there. Boy, stop laughing at me, okay? And
But
then
how we go about doing things, handling business?
um
So you just modify your stop losses to fit your fancy?
okay, so where would you have like my stop loss to be at, E?
Above that weight. You know where it's
Okay,
supposed to
I
go.
wasn't
You know
I
damn
didn't
well
want
where it's supposed to go.
I
You
didn't
know
want
where it's
You
supposed to
just
go.
didn't, you weren't willing to pay the price.
You know where it's supposed to go.
I didn't want it right there though. I promise you I didn't want it right there.
So what's gonna happen is, okay, you won that trade. It's gonna come a day
Uh-huh.
when your ass jump in there and they're gonna
Uh-huh.
shoot up and hit your shit and then drop.
Yep.
Okay.
If
And then Mhm.
if you're not willing to pay the price of admission, don't get on the ride.
Okay.
Ain't no shortcuts.
It ain't, man. It really ain't, because, like you said, you'll win sometime,
Mhm.
but you have to give it at least its full chance.
So you're saying at 9:30 it was because I marked the 9:30 gap, but it was all the way up there. Where was the entry at?
Some
That's
people
all.
when this was midnight open up here, it was
Mhm.
aggressive. You could have took it right off this candle at 9:39. When it made this and came back here, you could have sold from there.
Okay, so I
Nah,
thought
you can
you
do
want
better
us
than
to
that.
do
See,
macro. I
let's
thought
look at
you
this
want us
right
to
here.
do macro trades.
Let's look at this right here.
Mhm.
Yeah, I saw it too. I saw it too.
Stretch that out.
Yeah, I saw that Friday.
Yeah, can you expand that a little bit?
Yeah, I saw that Friday. Yeah. Yeah. I saw this. IFEG.
Yep. Gave you a
saw
chance
that.
right out the gate.
Got you.
You got to
So that
close
would
it
be the
below.
entry rate. There was an
You got
entry
to
at
close it
9:30.
below,
Yep.
confirming the downside and a push back up.
Yeah.
It was there. And that's on the 1 minute. You go look at it 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
It was even better.
Yeah, I saw that. And for me, when I saw it starting off, and then I saw this 9:30 gap, that was if I was a seller, I'd have sold from here.
Right there. Okay.
Yeah, because this already selling at 9:30.
Right.
It's aggressive. It's aggressive. It is, because your stock gotta go at least above here.
Yeah, because it would have took you out. Okay. Okay.
Stop still better than stop you looking at.
Okay. All right. So that was my first trade, and then I entered a second time and took it to PDL
What the second was at?
right here.
Where you put your stop?
You know where she put it at.
No, I'm asking. I'm asking.
I think I put it like, I don't know, probably like right here.
Uh-huh.
And then
Why? Explain to me why. Because if you that damn close, you might as well go and put it up there. You might as well go and put it up there. If you'll stop that close to where you still are technically in harm's way, you might as well just go and put it down.
Okay.
You know,
And then I
and have the confidence knowing it ain't got no business coming up there.
no business. You're right.
At
And
all.
and
It
then
got business. It can do business right up to that wick. It hit half of that wick and then drop.
and then my exit was right there. A PDL.
You took it. You just go right back where it come from.
Negative R to R.
So I got to work on my R.
That don't look. Yeah, that don't look like it's
Okay.
like a negative. No, it ain't. No, she got it. You on the positive side of it on that.
I'm on the positive side.
of the
So
R&R.
how do I measure my R to R? Can you help me with that?
Where you get
From where you want to get in to the stop loss versus where you got in to the target. If the green is smaller than the red, don't do it.
All right, so
That's
put
a
back
negative
that
R&R.
R. Can you put back that R to R again, please?
So okay, so this all I want to understand. Did you measure this range right here?
Yeah, I think I did. Yeah.
Think or no?
Yeah, because I knew I wanted to take it back to PDO because we were still trending downwards.
Okay, so
And I knew I was looking for a PD array above like 0.5. So, yep, I did measure that range. I ain't just jump in.
so where'd you get in?
I got in like literally at that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And did you measure from here to here?
Uh, yes, I did because when price rejected like that, wouldn't that be a VG, that SIBI right there?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So when price did that, that's when it was my signal to go in. So I need help with measuring my art,
Wait,
doing
wait,
better.
wait, 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 wait. Say what now? You run that back,
Uh-huh.
cause
I
all
love
right.
this, man.
Now that the second one I give you that one. This first one,
Rip.
oh no, boy, because
Because
I
50
use
is right
yours to
here.
reject where it rejected.
Right.
It did. So in that case, if you wasn't parked at 50%, because
Woo!
it hadn't even gave you 50% yet.
Say it again, E.
So
Say it
then
again,
you
E.
just said, so
Fuck it.
this kind of moving now. This shit
Mhm.
moving.
Mhm.
So you literally had to just push the button and been cool with whatever whatever happened.
I did.
Okay, but that's fine if you want to take it that way. But when you don't also put your stop loss to compensate for you just getting in, you're risky Roger. I mean, you just really get me.
Okay. So I have to basically tighten up.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, ain't no, that's why I need assistance with the R to
Well, I'm just
R.
saying, like,
Can
if
you
you
put
ran
that
your
Harder
money,
when you jump in. Because
I'm
you
no,
ain't no harder when you jump in because you telling the market because when you jump in, you get any price. You can get 570,
right? You
567,
can't do no R&R
you know
because you don't know where that where that button gonna get pressed. Would it actually enter the trade?
Yeah.
okay, so my second trade, can you put back up the short position thingy and tell me like how to do better with measuring R to R?
One thing, why didn't you take the first position to previous day low if you was taking the trade?
Um, because I'm still working on holding longer, even though I knew we were going to PDL. I just don't like retracements, especially with the amount of contracts I had. So no, I just wanted to.
So
So
I just,
reduce your risk.
huh?
thank you, E. Thank you,
Reduce your
E.
risk. You ain't got no business put that many contracts on
Okay,
if you can't stomach the retrace.
okay,
Reduce your risk, then you can see it play out, and then that's when you be able to add on more contracts when you just get more and more confidence and data that it
okay.
gets to where it's supposed to go.
Got you.
Okay, so where's the third trade? The third and the fourth one.
The
Now
Because
wait a
because
minute. Now, you third and fourth. How
yeah,
many trades you took?
I
man,
I took five.
she out there robbing the bank Friday, man.
So
I took five, and I won
all
four.
sales or
Lost.
buys?
I passed 4 out of 5.
Okay, so all of them are sales, or were you buying?
No, it was 2 sales and 3 buys.
Okay, you just out here willing and dealing on
Uh-huh.
a
Hey,
Friday.
I told this station. I told her.
That boy said the same. Because I was gonna
Slanging and
send you a
banging, boy.
private message, but then I was like, I'm tired of getting beat up by Boyd, so I just didn't even send you a message on Telegram.
I
Okay.
told you.
Cause
No, everything you
I'm gonna
said,
say,
boy.
cause once you got down over here, now you in the range in regards to this range.
Mhm.
If you still trying to sell down here,
No, I wasn't trying to sell down there.
okay.
So, hold on. I'm
Where
trying.
where was the third trade at? If you can
If you
remember.
allow me to pull up my Ninja Trader real quick, then I can
Take
tell
your
you
time.
or whatever. 1 second. Bear with me.
Take your time. Take your
Hey
time.
man, yeah. We got old music.
All right.
Yeah, don't hurry.
Oh, why is it not generating?
You can even show your screen. That way we can see all them check marks on that goddamn thing.
Don't do no, I don't want to share my screen.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Because no, no, I just don't
Hey,
want.
E man, she robbed the bank Friday, and I told her, and I said, it ain't always a good thing.
Yeah, he told me.
Yeah.
I did very good in my PA on Friday or whatever, but boy, literally was just like you acting, you not moving like this a career, you moving more like a casino. So
Yeah.
after he said that, I was just like, all right,
You lying? Because you got to be able to reproduce these results over and over again.
over and over. You're right.
I ain't
You're
saying
right.
don't. Sometimes you can get drunk off of that success, and then bring your ass back out there next time. Get your face ripped off.
And get my face ripped
So
off.
what we're looking for is things that are repeatable and can be done, you know what I'm saying, consistently.
Yeah.
Um,
My my next trade was at 11:01.
You took this low, Laura, low.
And then
1101, well, 1101 at.
Right here. Low, Laura, low.
She love that area too, boy. She love it.
that was an area too.
No, 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 no. She should buy it up.
I was
Low.
down there. I was buying up.
Okay. This
Okay,
one,
did
this
you
right
buy it
here.
off of IFBG or the Gap?
But see, I think that's the trade I lost because my stop loss. See, I got in at 11:01.
How your stop loss got hit?
How your stop loss get hit? I know you fucking lying. Low, lower, low. Okay,
So
did
you
you take a
avoid
high?
I got in at 23,445.
She jigged that shit right there.
Right there.
it's interest.
And
It's
then
interest. It is interest. 2344. Oh no, not 1101 it went. Yeah.
I got in at 11:01, but it was a little bit higher.
Where your stop loss at?
Uh
See, this is why I
11,440.
keep trying to tell you. You'll get in over here, but you won't put the corresponding stop loss. Stop loss here.
Stop loss there, minimum.
yeah,
You
and
gotta put it here. You would have never got touched. You gotta close your bus. That's market structure shift. We didn't even have to retrace because it's a breaker. Low,
yeah.
lower, low, close above. This is the breaker. That's why I hit and kept going up. But you gotta put your stop loss down here. Stop
Wait,
trying to
no,
be.
hold on. No, time out. Time. Flag on the play. No, I got in at 11:01 and I got out at 11:08.
How you get it at 1101?
I got in at 11:01. I'm looking at my times. I got in
So
at
you
Off of
11.
trade
what?
breakers now?
No, I'm gonna tell you the trade that I lost.
No, no. This is
No, we talking about
1101.
1101, 1108.
This
What's going
1101.
on?
Yeah, I got in at 11:01. I'm looking at my trade performance in Ninja Trader. I
Off of
entered
what?
I entered at 11:01.
Off of what?
Off of God.
And then she got out at 1108.
Then I got out at 11:08.
Or what?
Because I wanted to take it to that nearest gap right there. That's why I saw a gap, and I remember when boys say go to gaps, and I took it right there to the gap. It was a short trade.
like the casino, E. You thought I was bullshit. They go to
So
the
you went here.
casino.
So that wasn't a wrong entry. It wasn't a wrong. I took it to the gap.
You got it at 11:01. 11:01 where?
11:01 at 4:45. I got in, and
Off
my
of what? Because it made the gap at 11:01.
Mm-hmm.
If you told me you got in at 11:04 off the gap, I understand that. You got in at 11:01. It didn't make a gap yet. You know what happened, E? Like you say, low, lower, low, and start running. She said, "Oh shit, you ain't gonna leave me, Mr. Bus Driver. You ain't gonna leave me." She jumped right in.
Okay, I'm guilty as charged. And then I
ran behind the bus with 200 feet and they got off.
And then I just took it to the gap.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so
my entry sheet. I got in at 4:45, and
negative. No, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way.
I'm going
the wrong way.
Yeah, the green supposed to be up top. Stop loss.
I got you. Log position. You got in 4:45. Stop loss right here. And you went right here.
So it's not even.
You ain't put your stop loss here though, did you?
No, I didn't.
Where you put it at?
Right under.
Stop loss.
Right there. Move it up.
What you doing?
There you go.
I know you fucking lying on that stop loss.
How you put it there when that's the Kenny came in on?
Right, if I told her, man.
But yeah, I was playing it tight.
Man, you're playing lottery, man. This nigga playing the motherfucking lottery, man.
You playing in traffic. That's what you doing.
I told you, man. Y'all thought you bullshit, man.
Your favorite game coming up must have been Frogger. You played Frogger?
No.
With a little frog going out in the traffic.
No.
All right.
That's why I'm here, so y'all can help me with the R to R.
But
no,
look,
you need to get you got in. It didn't even form again.
Okay, respectfully speaking, if I had gotten at 11:04, where would you have want me to take my first profit target at?
I would have got in 11:04. I would have got in 50%. It would have picked me up.
Oh.
And then I would have been looking down here at this IFVG down here. Low, lower, low. Once I get the close button here, I'll be in.
You would got in right there at 11 o'clock.
You got your low. You got your lower low.
Lower low.
Look what time it is.
And we still in macro. Okay.
So you got to shift.
Well,
but you was already in before it.
I was.
So were you on the 1 minute chart also?
No, I wasn't again. No, I was on
what time frame were you using?
15 and 30 seconds.
Okay, that might.
So okay, going to the fucking casino, man.
Well, no, because it might be different on a lower time frame.
Yeah, it was different on a lower, but I don't want to lie because I'm not gonna get the help I need if I lie.
So, but I'm saying no. If you were if you had let's just take a look. Go to 30 seconds. I want to see what's going on in this. Box off this area, and then we can go down to the lower time frame and see what's going on. Because it could be an entry possibly in there. So I don't want to jump on you too quick. Because I know how I get that.
Yeah, I know. I already know. That's why I ain't sending you no message on Friday.
Shit, they're on 30. Let's go to 15. You better hope something on 15. But shit on 30 seconds. R is explaining this the risk to reward. So basically, you don't want to have a negative RR. Basically saying if you risk $50, you want to at least make $50. Be 1-to-1. If you're risking 50 to make 25, you set yourself up for failure over time. Okay, so what 1-on-1 shit there, man.
It's shit there, man. It's shit there,
you straight up, T. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in there. Nothing. Yeah. You gonna have to work them kicks out,
Okay.
or you gonna be mad at
Okay.
yourself.
So can you go back to the 1104? Where would have been the nearest exit?
Look into the gap. You got a gap here. You got a
It's
gap
a
up
gap
here.
right there. Right. So what's the R to R for the first gap?
Negative.
You wouldn't have wanted that.
You would have
Or you
wanted
shouldn't
that.
have taken that. No.
So it was better to take it to the second gap?
To substantiate the risk. Yeah, you would have had to. Look how much risk you would have had to take.
One to one. Yeah, you got rid of this gap.
101. Okay.
And how many contracts did you have on it? 2?
No.
How many you had on?
You don't want to know.
Yeah,
Don't
shit,
lie
we don't
now.
want to know.
Don't lie now, shit. Come on. Don't lie now,
This how
nigga.
you get better. I'm
Right.
told her. Four.
How many contracts, player?
4.
I had 4.
I know it. See?
I look at the casino. I told you.
Man, yeah. You know how risky that move you just
He's
did
staying
was,
on
man.
my screen. How you know that?
Man,
Look
listen,
at
man.
that,
I just feel it, man.
Look at that. 4 big boys. See, and this is what happens. See, this is what happens when you put on letters like that, and you just jump in. As soon as it start moving, close. You're not even looking at a target. You're not looking at a target at all.
Yeah.
You're not worried about a target.
Looking at a dollar.
Kawan got a question.
What up, Kawhi? You got your question.
Hello?
What up?
How you doing? I'm the new Jack here.
Oh shit. What's up, Flair?
So I have a question about the risk to reward ratio.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so the risk to reward ratio, so that's a fraction where the risk is on top and the reward is on the bottom?
It depends
on which direction you're going.
If you buying it, the risk is on the bottom, the reward's on the top. So a long position. So say I got in here. So now I'm risking 15 points to go at least 1 to 3. I like 1 to 3. So if I have one big boy AQ contract, 61, what's that, about $300? 61 times 5. Yeah, I'm risking $305 to make $1,000.
Okay, and what if you were selling?
Okay, so go
Then
to
you
opposite
just flip it.
Then you would flip it. The new
There's a short
risk would
position button
be
over there.
on top
top.
of it.
So when she sold it down from here, that was her risk. And her risk has to go when you are risking, you are calculating from your entry to the swing high. Lower high to the left, lower high to the right, and then going to your target. She was just going to this low right here. So she was risking 55 points. So she was risking, what's that, 222 times 5?
It's 5 to make 45.
Whoa.
She was risking $1,010 per contract. She said she had 4 contracts. So she was risking $4,440 to make 182, 4 and 5, $3,640.
Okay.
But the problem you got is that one time this thing want to push up and take your $4,000. That's why we like to have a positive risk to reward, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, because you can lose more and make money. See, a lot of people in this grouping are highly educated people. So when they talk risk to reward, you can literally, okay, when you go to school, people think, okay, I get A's and B's, so that's like 100% and 90%. You can literally make millions of dollars and have a 60% win rate. But when you look at it from an academic, they're like, damn, man, that's a D, man. I'm fucked up out here, man. But if your risk to reward is there, that's all you need.
Okay. So basically, if you're buying or selling, that that changes the fraction. Meaning, if you're selling, then the risk is on top as the numerator, and the bottom will be the reward.
Correct.
Okay, and it switches for buying.
Right.
Correct.
The red should be on the side that you, in the direction, opposite direction you're going.
Right. Great question.
Chris. You ain't off the hook.
You ain't off the hook. You ain't off the hook. She had
So,
4 contracts on that fucking
you put
thing.
4 contracts. How much risk that is, boy? If you don't mind me asking.
Y'all talking about me? Oh hell!
We talking to you.
$4,000. $4,000.
No, I'm talking about on the
Hold
trade
on.
out here in the
I
bottom.
don't think I put 4 on that one. Hold on. Let me be correct.
Oh, this one is damn that 30-point stop loss.
That's over 5. That's almost $600 a contract.
$1,800.
Yeah, on the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the first one, I put 4. Yeah.
What size is your
I
account?
told you, nigga. I
What size is
told
your
you,
account?
nigga.
What size is your account?
50K.
50K.
If that thing just would have popped up, you would have been done. If it would have just waked up and hit the OB, you'd have been done.
I told her ass, man.
I'm not doing that no more.
Man, listen, man.
Bad habits
Hey,
die
man.
young, man. She ain't doing that no more.
You gonna have to get out
You
your own
gotta
way.
have faith that I'm not doing that no more.
Yeah, all right.
Hey, let's say anything.
Yeah, all right.
She had an amazing day Friday, but the thing is, and I tell a lot of y'all this, just because you make money does not mean it was a successful day. Because if you veer from your rules, it's just, man. One thing about this trading journey, this shit will show you who you really are, real quick. Real quick. If you say you ain't greedy, trade the market. It'll show you how greedy you are real quick. Like I told her, I said, man, she had an amazing day. But I said, man, you can't trade like that. Because it's gonna take one day. One day.
Yeah, boy did say that. He said, now you acting like a casino. And
Casino.
even my mommy told me to chill out.
Yeah.
Man, you should have been done after that first trade with that much risk. You look deaf in the eye, boy.
Yeah.
So that was hella risky.
Yeah.
With 4 contracts, man, I won't do that.
Okay, but that second trade I took was a little bit better.
The second trade was the best trade. Based on the ones you showed us.
All right. But I got 2 more
that first one, absolutely unacceptable. Hell no. Don't ever do that.
But that's that third one.
The third one, hell no. Don't ever do that either.
Don't do that again.
I mean, because you didn't put your stop loss where you supposed to put it.
Okay.
If you ain't going to, listen, don't take no trade that you're not going to put the stop loss where it's supposed to go. I'd rather you put 1 contract on and take that risk with the proper stop loss than to put 3 and 4 on and cut your stop loss short. Because so instead of going, you get in here, you got your stop loss right here. It ain't nothing for it to pat. You know what I mean? But you put it here, it ain't got no business coming down here. Well, based on what we know, it has no business coming down here.
And what happens? See, this is what I tell you all day long, Chris. This is what happens. You jump in here with 4 contracts, whip you out. Now you pissed. You know how you is. You hotter than wasabi. Now you jump back in. He's like, oh shit, he put 4 on. Let me go ahead and put 6 on. And knock you out again. Said, fuck this shit. Blink of an eye, shit gone.
Man, before you know it.
Whole fucking account blown.
Okay.
The main thing to take away is, listen, you got to put your stop loss where it goes. If it's too expensive, you can go down to micros and put some cut on it, or you know what I'm saying, or just don't take the trade.
Just don't take the trade.
But you have to give yourself a chance, man. Give your trade a chance.
The thing that bothers me about the trade is you said you wasn't here for 9:30, but you got in at 9:50. So
I was waiting. Let me take that back. I think I was available, but I was waiting for the macro.
Okay. So okay.
And so that's where I'm confused at, because I thought when we doing like TFAs or whatever, you want us to wait for the macros because price, the driving point. But you're saying that it was an earlier trade. So I know sometimes some trades happen right before the macro. So take those trades as well.
Hold on. So you were doing this with TFA?
Mm, yeah.
You see that bullshit he got talking about?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so you said TFA.
I believe so. Hold on. You gotta go to it. Let's see. Because I can see the sales before the buys. So I just really wanted to be in the sale. Like, if it ain't TFA, I just knew I wanted to be in the sale.
Look at make sure. Just gotta make sure.
But I think that's the one I asked you, did we have a 15-minute CID or something like that?
And what I tell you, I said that ain't no question you asked me. If we had a 15-minute CID, where was the higher time for liquidity taking? Let's go to the 4 hour. Where was the higher time for liquidity taking Friday? Unless you was using Thursday's taking out previous day high as a continuation at 2 o'clock. Because if you're looking for fresh liquidity taken on Friday, there was none.
One nine.
I think it was probably previous day high. I think so. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think so.
Well, previous day high, 15-minute CID is way up here. You talking about Thursday at damn near
6 o'clock.
yep, 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
But you was taking it all the way down here in the morning time.
No, I was using the 9:30 gaps.
Oh, okay. Let's go to 9:30 gap. So the 9:30 gap was the 9:39 candle. So did you have your liquidity already taken? I mean, looked at for when we drop it, because this is hell of a drop. It kept dropping. How did you know that it was gonna take our previous day low?
Because we was just trending downwards, and we
Okay.
kept, and price was rejecting certain areas.
Certain areas. What certain areas?
Like, all right, like for instance, that SIBI, I mean the SIBI that became like IFVG, we
So
rejected it.
what charts do you be having up when you train? If you don't mind me asking, like time frames.
No, you fine. I have the on Ninja Trader, I be having either the 15 or 30-second up, and then I had like the 1 minute and the 5 minute up.
So the 1 minute, 5 minute. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then the 15 be on the ever screen. But when I enter, normally I had a 1 and a 5 minute, and then on Ninja Trader, like the sub-second, like either 15 or 30-second.
What time frame do you enter off? What time frame do you see your best entries off of?
I like the 1 minute, but sometimes I find myself I drop down to like the 30 or whatever, just to see like, all right, the 1 minute looked like it gave like a shift, or it want to give a shift, and then I may drop down to a shorter time frame and be like this, all right, yep, it sure did. So it can give me like a more exact entry.
I can tell for the longest I know you, you don't like to be left.
No, I don't like to be, nah.
That's what. And when this moved here, you didn't want to be left at 11 o'clock. So you just jumped in with 4. Okay, where was it? Where was the next trade? I spoke that's number 3. So you had one good trade, two trash trades.
No, hold on. All right, the first one was at 9:53. I
Trash.
exited at 9:56. That was 4 contracts. The second one was I entered at,
Powerball.
huh?
Powerball. You hit the Powerball.
Wow. Right. Hey, man.
This
Told
it
you.
here.
No.
All right. Next one.
That's
All right,
trash, man.
Next
all
one.
right, y'all said that was trash. All right, the
That
second.
one. All right. We'll take that one.
All right, the second
Just
one
for
I
him.
ended.
Trash.
No, all right, wait. The second one was at 10:01, and I exited at 10:04.
We'll accept that one.
All right, that's the one. All right, I ain't do 4 on that one. If I had did 4 on that one, I would have been done. But I was just testing something, so I just did 1 contract on that one. Then, all right, my loss was I ended at 489 at 10:23, and I exited at 10:26.
Oh, what now? What is that?
I ended at 10:23, 489.
And you were going long or short? Yes, but look, going short look like. Was
Because
you trying to go short?
it took me out at 468 at 10:26.
Yep, your ass was going short.
After we took out, see, that's the thing. She jumped. We had already took out pre-day low, and you take out pre-day low. You're supposed to be looking to go the opposite direction. You're like, oh no, we're going even lower.
I think I see what it was. She saw this candle close, the down close candle. It thought it was gonna go on down, and that damn thing popped right back up.
But the thing is, this is pre-day low. Take it out already.
Right.
You ain't.
No, I think I was in it. No, I went in for a buy.
So how the hell you just
How you lost the trade?
Wait.
Something ain't right now. How you lost the trade if you went long?
Wait, that's what I'm saying. Like I entered at 10:23 at 489, and I exited at 10:26 at 468.
Oh, okay.
What I do wrong?
But you know she did wrong.
Wait, let me see. What?
She ain't wait. She ain't have a proper stop loss management.
Yeah, it was
What's
for
1023? What's
right here? This gap, she got in at the gap. Right here. She got at the top of the gap.
To go where?
To go up right there.
You going long?
Yep.
I was going long. Yeah.
Oh, see,
I ain't had my stop loss correct.
So you got your ass.
Yeah. Because it took me out at 10:26 at 468.
Guess what?
And my stop loss should have went under that swing, right?
Right here.
You know where it's supposed to go, man.
Yeah,
don't play with us. You know damn well where the stop loss is supposed to go.
Okay.
You asking it like for confirmation. You don't need no damn confirmation. You
don't need no confirmation.
Everybody in here knows where that stop loss is supposed to go.
And then look, you buying way above premium.
Above 50%. Above discount.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
And what was your target?
It was the gap.
Oh right my here? God.
I told you, you think I'm bullshit.
Oh
man.
My God. Hey, listen, man. I don't know what you got going on. But you mean to tell me you got it right there to go there?
Yeah, right there. Right there.
I'm on the Zoom. That's
why. Yeah, you violate. You gotta do better than
that. I told you, you thinking I'm bullshit,
That's like 1 to 2 instead of 2 to 1. Like you risk. Oh, that's 2 to 1. You risk 2 to 1. But that look like a double. Like you split this in half. That look like twice. Double this. Double stop loss to take this profit.
Hey yo, Rod. This is what we mean. This was her entry. This is where our stop loss at. She should just try and go here. No,
That's
no,
negative.
she was trying to make a little bit more money. See, and I'm
Yeah.
like, totally playing that bitch like a fucking casino. Like, oh yeah, hey, I don't take profit. I gotta make a little bit more to get my money. Let me go. That's what happened. And
Yeah,
then
that's
what?
what it was.
I
So
know
where did
exactly what it is, man. Hey, I didn't do that.
That's why I can't stand Boyd, because he know me.
you put the stop loss at?
It was a 20-point stop loss.
Well, you just putting arbitrary numbers out there now.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put 20.
Yeah.
Be damn. The hell
If it hit it, it hit it.
Yeah. So I was just, I don't know. I was just
you
doing too
can't
much.
do that, man.
I can't.
You can't do that, man.
I can't.
You owe it to yourself not to do no shit like that.
Okay.
I told her this shit, man.
You ain't giving yourself a chance, man,
I know.
to be successful. You'll get, like you said, you'll get success here and now. But overall, you're gonna catch so many L's doing that shit. Then you're gonna have extra scar tissue, which is gonna make you even more scared to go even further when you do win. And you just really just hurt yourself, man. So you just gotta figure out when you're gonna stop hurting yourself. Then you can get to the money.
I gotta work on my
you.
R.
No.
No.
You gotta work your discipline. I told you that.
No, your discipline is shitty, bro. I'll be honest with you.
Okay.
Discipline.
You got bad
R.
discipline. You coming in crazy spots, and you're not willing to put the risk, the appropriate risk on to compensate for coming in the crazy spot. If you want to come in the crazy spot, that's cool. But if your stop loss ain't in the right place, then you ain't got a shot in hell.
Okay. So of those 3 trades, only one was good.
Yep.
Man.
I got 2 more.
You got first of all, that's the first violation. You took 5 trades?
I did 5.
Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one.
All right, the next one was
hey, watch this. 5 trades with 4 contracts and only made $5,000.
No, I didn't do 4 contracts for everything. Don't lie on my name, Boyd. I did 4 contracts for my initial trade at 953.
You should have been done.
Listen, that first trade was pure luck. That was pure luck. And then, because if you'd have lost that one, it wouldn't have been no 2, 3, and 4, and 5 trades. Your count would have been blown.
It'd have been, hey, boy, I don't think trading for me. What you mean, Chris? Well, you know that account I had, well, I blew it up. What you mean? Well, I took a trade and it went the other direction. Oh, okay. That's how it would have been Friday, E.
Next second trade was only 1 contract.
Okay.
The third trade was only 1 contract. The loss.
Okay. The
fourth trade. And then the 4th trade was at 10. I ended at 1028.
Hold on. So you enter at 1023. Lost the trade. So you jump back in 5 minutes later at 1028.
That's what it's saying, that I ended at 1028.
Okay, and you sold it out.
No,
you still going long, bro. You still trying to get that same funk ass gap. Why are you still trying to go to that funk ass gap, man?
No, I was going to the gap, so I exited at 1032.
How many contracts?
I had man. I think
you see that number? What's on that?
What's that number?
No, I had 2.
Okay.
I think I had 2.
And they don't think it's gonna show you on Ninja how many you had.
Because I ended at 1026 at 4. No, I ended at 10. No, I'm sorry. I ended at 1028 at 469.25. Right? And I exited at 502.25. But I had another contract that I ended at 1030 and I exited at the same 502. So that was 2 contracts.
I told you, like the casino, man. Hey, You might as well go down to the harbor, man, to the casino, man. Put everything on black, man.
I'm telling you, man.
Put everything on black.
You need to start doing parlays.
Do parlays too.
Man. Chris.
That was wrong.
Man. You know it was wrong. You knew
know damn right
What was wrong about it? Tell me what was wrong.
You knew you were wrong when you saw it, and you thought about doing it. You like, I think I can get this right here. Just get this little bit right here.
What was wrong with my 1028 trade?
What you mean? What? All right. Let's go to the. Let me see the exact candle that you.
This being recorded. Oh snap!
Oh yeah, and on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely.
On Fresh Street.
Yo,
this is educational.
1028, right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Right
what
there.
did you get off in off of?
I got it. The gap.
What gap?
What gap?
To the left.
Why you getting that 1026 then?
I don't know.
Told you, E. She don't like being left.
Because I was exiting my trade that I lost.
No, what it is you want to see the energy going in your direction.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's the problem.
Stop that.
That's I be wanting to see it. I gotta see it. Then I'd be like, all right, let's go. That's the problem right there, E. You got it.
I know. I'm looking at it because as the candle came down, you ain't have the confidence to push the button.
No.
You wait for the next candle to show up move, then you want to get in.
Yeah.
But you messing up your R when you do that.
When I do that. Ugh, okay.
Okay, where's the next trade? So that's
and I took that one to 502. So I got out at 1028 with that one. Wait, yeah.
Okay.
No, I got out at 1032 with those two trades.
Okay.
All right, and then the last one was the 1101.
Okay.
And that's the one I entered with 4. So I only entered 4 twice.
Wow.
Hey, out of 5 trades, you had 1 good trade and 4 trash. So you was 20%.
Okay.
As E would say, don't let that shit happen again this week.
All right.
You got lucky. Hey.
You got hella lucky.
And lucky. Hey, you better go to the mosque, to the temple, to the shrine. Hey, get on both knees. Pray. Look up, say, Lord, I just want to thank you. Hey, say that about 100 times, man.
So with that one at 1101.
Hey, who that PA with?
Take profit.
Take profit.
You still got some money in there?
Yeah. I did a withdrawal.
I can say, man.
I told you,
you better get some money up off that thing before you go back up in this week, man. Take you some profit out, man.
I did.
Okay, good. Cause man, don't.
I can't do that. That's the last time I
cannot, man. You gotta have the confidence. If it don't give it to you, just don't take it.
Don't take it. Okay.
Just don't take it. I would rather you just sit on your hand and just say I got left. Then they try to get in the middle of the fray with a bad stop loss and a short target. And that's not how we trade. Man. We don't trade.
And with this last one, you said the entry was at 1104, Boyd, and take it to
I'd have been in here, or I would have got it. This didn't pick me up because I want 50% of this gap.
Okay.
And I'll be looking at this gap here and this gap here.
Okay.
Hey, Chris, you ain't the only one like that. You ain't the only one like this.
I mean, but y'all told me
I know somebody that ain't on here doing the same thing.
But y'all told me last week to come back and say what I did, so I wasn't the sucker.
Well, we appreciate that you came and showed and proved. You know what I mean? But next week, you can't do what you did this week. Next week.
Okay. So I got to work on my R to R, and I got to work on being okay that I'm left.
No, you got to work on your discipline.
You got to work on your stop loss.
Yeah. Okay.
And if your stop loss too wide for your liking, then I would go to micros. You can still take the trade,
Okay.
or just don't take it if you want
Okay.
to stay on minis. Because 4 contracts on the 50K, you could have been over in a twinkle of an eye. That damn thing would have just popped up. That's it. It's over.
Yeah.
Just that quick. So your PA, clearly the cushion is gone, right? So
No.
what you mean? So you ain't got
No.
I mean, what I'm saying,
cushion.
you satisfied the cushion already.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, good.
I had a hell of a day on Friday.
Yeah. People at the casinos do the same
Right.
thing.
You should look at that day as an L and not
It was
a
an L.
Okay.
I would
don't make
myself.
reference to Friday. Don't smile when you think about Friday.
Okay.
Because Friday is really setting you up for some hurt later.
For some hurt later.
Like I told you, Chris, go to the temple, to the mosque, to the church, get on both knees, look the man up the stairs in his face and say thank you, because he spared you Friday.
Yeah, he spared you. For you to be maneuvering in the market the way you was carrying on Friday, boy, you got lucky. You got hella lucky to go in the market that many times and still came out green. The way you trade with them trades you showed us. Boy, you got lucky as hell.
Oh, like a casino.
So don't do that no more.
Okay.
I mean, hey, it's on you.
No,
it's up to you now.
No. It's feedback.
Because you can really do some things if you just tighten up on your discipline and put your stop loss where it's supposed to be, man.
Okay.
At least give yourself a chance.
Okay.
Like I've told you guys since we started over 4 years ago, you guys are amazing traders. You guys just lack discipline, and I've said this a million times to you guys. A lot of you guys are highly qualified professional people, and in your regular 9 to 5, you don't hear the word no. When you come to this market and the market tells you no, it ain't something you ain't never heard before, and then you get pissed. Some of y'all ain't never heard no in y'all professional life, but this market, it tell you no.
It tell you no more than yeah.
Right. And y'all don't like that. Y'all don't like being wrong because y'all look at it like it's school. Okay, if it's wrong, why is it wrong? Okay, let me do the same thing over and over again. And I've told you guys this over and over again. Every day is a different day. There will never be a August 28th trading day. The calendar will never print the same again, but it will always give you similarities. And that's what you need to key on. What is the key similarities that the market is giving me every day? What's my model? And take the trade. What? Damn, man. It's 3 o'clock. Okay. We didn't had a one-on-one session with Chris this morning. Gold. Yeah, I'm bullish on gold. All-time highs.
Extremely bullish.
One thing I went over with my teams on Saturday. When I'm looking at this and like it's times where you have this low here and this high here. And then TFA come back to the gap. The first time it does that, I'm hesitant to take a TFA from it. I needed to show me again that it is extremely bullish and it's not coming back 50% of the range. What I mean by that is when we down here and we push up, came back 50%. Push back up, retrace. When it does this and it touched the gap, I'm waiting for it to show me again. On this move right here, I'm looking at prices that not come back 50% before trying to attack this high. Does that make sense, Chris?
Say that again.
Okay, you see how we have this low here and this high here. You're like, okay, this is a gap here. Okay, TFA. In the past, I would be hesitant to take it. Like, okay, maybe it could go deeper. I'll wait for it to show me what it want to do after this because I'm waiting to see, okay, is this gap enough liquidity to send it up higher? When it gives me this move right here, I'm no longer looking for retraces on the 4 hour back 50%. I'm looking at the market as we trying to get somewhere aggressively fast.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But because there's plenty of times I would have like this low, this high, like okay, maybe come back 50%
Not
of
gonna
the 4
always
hour.
be textbook like you wanted to
Right.
be.
So then what would your entry be if you don't want 50%, if you don't want to take that first time that it came back into that gap?
On TFA, I would feel confident taking the TFA and looking for it above 50%. Meaning that okay, I'd have been looking for it right here. As soon as we got in here, I'd have been looking for a shift.
Right.
Oh, so
15,
you would have ended up
70.
there,
Looking for
not
a
down
flip
there.
somewhere up in there.
Right.
So you
I
would
would
have ended up there, not down
oh
there.
yeah. I would have been looking for it to come down here or down here. Because I'm looking at how prices are moving. We're just going higher and higher.
Mhm.
We are pricing aggressively in the upper 50% of the range. We're not coming below 50%. So if I look at this, Chris, I would expect price to come in this first gap and take out this all-time high. I'm not looking
Mhm.
for it to come down here at all.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be surprised if we get that low too.
If it get that low, okay. And that's why I was
Unless there's
asking
something in
y'all
that wick.
earlier.
Or something in that wick could send it down.
Right.
And that's why I
But
was asking y'all earlier, where would you be comfortable in getting in to take it up higher if we got two bullish gaps below?
I would want that first. I would at least want that first gap to be gone.
Yep.
Like
Personally.
half of this gap,
No.
or
Whole thing. I would want the whole thing to be gone, or it'll have to show me something in it that on a lower time frame that's going the other way. But ideally, usually when you get two gaps, a lot of times the first gap get ate up,
okay.
or it'll go through the first gap, reach down and touch the second one, and then draw back up. Sometimes, but that's you know that's price is random. As far as that part, how I want to do it, because it could just barely touch it and going up and take the high.
that's what I'm looking like. For me, if it touched this bullish 4 hour gap, then I'm looking for TFA.
Right. Well, yeah. As soon as it touches, you should be on alert for TFA from that point forward, because you don't now where it turn around at. You got to wait until it
Right.
shows.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Don't mean it touched the gap, push the button.
Yep.
Even when I'm using my finesse times, it come back and hit, but I'm looking for something to go in the opposite direction before I touch the button, push the button. I'm not just pushing it off just because it touched the line. Nah, hell no. You got to show me something bullish.
On a lower time frame.
Right.
Gotcha.
And
Okay.
that could still be wrong because the thing is, let's say I'm on the 15 second, it hit the 4 hour gap, whatever. It might give me an up move for 30, 40 points and then turn around and come back for a lower low on the for a 1 minute perspective. But see, that's something you have to, if you're going to trade like that, you got to learn that, you might be in on the 15 second. That don't mean it's going to go all the way up.
So then I need to be, if it's on a lower time frame, like 15, 30 seconds, then I need to be going to 15, 30
First of all,
seconds.
you should be on 1 minute.
Okay.
You need to stay on 1 minute. Stay on 1 minute. You can peek over there every now and again, but until you get comfortable on the higher time frame, you shouldn't be down on the subset.
Okay.
Look at silver. Look at this. This is an all-time high.
Yeah, remember we've been waiting on silver to join the party.
Sure. This is a daily. Look at it move Friday.
Skip that. It's Thursday and Friday.
Wednesday, look.
Yep, went into that gap, so I'm out.
I'm out. 4 hour perspective. Any news? Oh, contract switch. But look at that.
Silver and gold.
Whew. Bullish. Let's knock out the big three.
Go up.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, weekly.
She ain't coming all the way back down.
Yeah, no.
Nah. So I personally, I think this might be the week YM finally hit his. That's all-time high. Up there?
It's all time high.
Yeah, it might be this week. Look like it.
And then if you look at it from a daily perspective, you have a daily gap down here. Okay, 4 hour level.
Nothing to the left. Yeah, it should. It may run that. Well, it depends on where it open.
Right, reopen.
Because ain't no gaps, right? All up and through here. It already came into this gap. So
Right.
it ended green. So it could just push on up.
And for me, I look at it like this 4 hour gap sent price down to this 4 hour bullish gap. So now I'm looking up.
Right.
So now from 15. Oh, I was talking to Junior. Yeah, I think he out here. Yo, Junior, you out here?
Yo, what's up?
Remember we was talking about this on YM.
Yeah,
This
that TFA setup?
This is a beautiful TFA setup.
Oh God, man.
15-minute.
And it happened quick too.
Lowest down close candle. Got your closure above at 11 o'clock. Now let's go to the macro. 11:50 macro. Look at this one. 11:50 macro. 11:50. 12:10. Lower low.
The gap.
Oof. Oof. That's legendary right there. Oof.
Boyd, is there an indicator that points out the macros?
Yeah. ICT macros.
ICT.
Yeah, ICT macros. Yeah, by Luxago.
Okay. Is there a particular setting or it already come preset?
Come preset.
All
And
right.
then you just change the times that you like.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, bro. Hey, that's beautiful right there, man. Long position. Proper stop loss. +1. $100 a contract.
Yep. Oh man, that's everything.
$100.
That's everything.
$100. $100. That's 100.
I
And I
live for
thought the
$100 or
exit
less.
would be right there at the gap, right?
Say it again.
Ain't the profit target at the gap?
No, that's TFA. That's a
Oh, you got to take it to a 15-minute.
Yep, 15-minute target.
And the 15-minute target is like the 15-minute high? Was that a high?
Yeah, 15-minute high, 15-minute gap.
But when do you take it to a 15-minute? When the 15 and the 4 line?
No, when everything line, when the
All line.
4 hour,
Okay.
the 15-minute, the 1 minute entry.
Got you.
So you risking $100 to make $460.
Because it's what, $5? How much is it?
$5, yeah. $5 a point.
Yeah.
So that's everything E?
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. $100.
Yeah.
You don't,
So you
especially
put
during
6
New York.
contracts on that E?
I put whatever all the contracts I got. Whatever it is. If it was 15, you put 15. If it's 30, it's 30.
Woo!
And $100 a piece, even on look at it. Look like this. You took a trade. You risked, well, how much that was she risked on that? 4,000?
$4,410.
With 4 contracts.
With 4 contracts.
You can put 6 on this, on a 50K, and it's only $600.
Yep.
And even if I took it to the gap, would that have been a good R to R?
What gap?
It's a gap right there.
What? I don't know what's right now.
Right
First of all,
there.
right here. Yes, yeah, that's 1 and 2.5. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the higher the higher the risk to reward, the less you have to trade.
Let's have to trade. I think what has scared me is like
Or
price.
contract and you jump in. That scared me too.
I'm terrified.
Terrifying.
Oh God.
Your actions are working against your psyche.
Yeah.
See, you want to go and get these moves, these big moves, but because of your actions, them L's you be taking, that's that scar tissue that's keeping you from being able to strive for those higher targets because you're not doing the proper things to get to those higher targets.
Greg P said y'all not taking nothing off on the way to the target. Hey, Greg, you got
You got to keep
kids, right? You got kids, right? Let's see what we got here. You got kids? Oh yeah, well, okay.
Yeah.
Do you drop them off at one at one house and one at the next house, or drop them all off at one house?
Yeah, I already know. I already know.
Hey, as he would say, man, we've been working together going on 5 years, man. If you risk this is the thing, you guys got this, and it's hard because you guys take so many trash trades. When the great trade comes, you
you
scared
put
of that,
one on,
right? Put on
just
one
one
on,
or half a
yeah,
micro.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
definitely.
Listen, the thing about it, when y'all done been around long enough, you'll get this feeling like when you know you see a good trade, man, that's the ones that you got to hit in the mouth. When
So
it
boy,
just ain't no doubt.
so you couldn't do 6 contracts on this one and taking it to the first gap, right?
Why not?
Yeah, 1 to 2.
You still could. I mean,
It's the risk to reward. If you're risking 5 to make 10, that's 1 to 2. It don't matter how many contracts on. You put
But
6 contracts on, that's you know what I'm saying, $600. The target, if it's 1 to 2, it'd be 1,200. So you're
yeah,
risking 6 to make 12, which is 1 to 2.
yeah, but you was risking one to make negative. You was risking $100 to make $50.
Right.
Okay,
That's backwards.
that's backwards.
That's like that.
I just don't know if I would have took it to the 15-minute high. I think I just would have played it safe and took it to the gap.
Would you have even parked your order?
Okay, and that's another thing I got to get better at parking my orders.
I don't understand how y'all can calculate risk to reward, yo. I get on Hannah about this all day long. She say, "Boy, I don't park." So how can you really know what your trade is giving you, the potential, if you don't park it? Because if you jump in, you get whatever price they want to give it. And if you jumping in, without stop loss because you know how NQ retrace on you. Like we say, hey man, we've been rocking together 5 years, man. We gotta do better, man. Yeah, but YM bullish. I'll probably be looking at it. It still ain't hit the 15-minute target, in my opinion. This gap up here. And here come all YM come all the way up here. Bullish.
Shit, I don't like that 15-minute action they were doing. That back and forth shit.
Like full shit. Yes. All-time high. Hey, hey, if you go back to the Zoom we did on August 10th, we marked out this level 65.22, and it got there Friday. No hindsight. What was that alert? Let's see. Settings. Yeah, August 10th. Previous day high. Bearish on the daily. It coming out a little bit lower, but we took our previous day low. So now see if we get a 15-minute bullish CID. Yeah, we got one. Just ain't moving nowhere.
Squeeze that chart right quick before you go.
I got you.
Let's see some. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. This week went past that week? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. All right. This is a little bit of prognostication, but
Time to flip.
I'm looking at this.
Low, lower, low.
I'm gonna come down and make. I want to see it come down here and bottom out because I'm looking at this as like a sell model from this point, and you got your drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation. I want one more drop down here, and then start making your way back up.
I got you.
Because go back up to one step up.
Because I'm looking at also like for 1 hour bullish CID, and it's all the guys are 15-minute.
Go up to the 4 hour. See. I mean, I don't know. I don't know on that. We just gonna have to play that by ear.
Right here, yeah. So I look at it too.
Because it didn't took that swing, so I'm looking for it to come down and get some of this liquidity down.
I got you.
Because this looked like once it went up here, this was the flip to go to start coming down.
That's all time high.
Right. So where's the liquidity? Is below here?
Below here.
And down and up, right? So I don't know.
Less but still bullish on it until it showed me else. And also I look at it from a higher time frame, a monthly. We have
That's why I think during September, October, we're gonna come see this shit. Watch. We're gonna come see some of that gap.
There you go, NQ.
See, this week gonna tell a lot.
Yeah, because
on that
NQ,
monthly, or what's that?
And it's NFP too.
Yep. And NQ made a swing.
Right. So it looking like you want to come
Lower.
possibly down to here.
Yeah.
Then dug. This done dug all into this OB. And they ate that shit up.
Boy, what you gonna do when we turn bearish in September, October? Since you only trade one way. Oh, catch the buy at 9:30.
Gold might be outside.
Oh, no, I'm gonna catch the buy at 9:30 because if we bearish, we gonna run up before we drop.
Right.
That's easy money. Daily.
See, I don't like how that candle ended. It look like it might want to try to come on down. See what I'm saying? Because Yeah, it's a little bit of that gap. That's a gap left.
Yeah, it's a little bit. I think on a 4 hour. Yeah, bearish on it.
And to me,
But
it still ain't hit fresh liquidity.
nope. It just got pretty low. Look, and for me, I'm not even look at it Monday and Tuesday basically because it's like it got to finish. I'm gonna go look at it. So I'm looking at if we get a closure above here, this will be the bullish CID. Or are we gonna run these tonight and tomorrow? Yeah, NFP week. But we got our setup. We know how to trade. Ain't nothing too about to do it.
You don't know what you're missing, Shane. Your brother.
Yeah. We open on Monday, right?
Tonight, 6 o'clock, 3 hours.
3 hours what? Oh, in 3 hours. Oh.
Yeah.
And open till when? What time it close on Monday? Like
1
noon
o'clock.
or 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
I wouldn't be surprised to go up.
Right.
The way they set, to me, like the way they set it up was like to go after the opposing liquidity like during the holiday. And then on Tuesday might drop that damn thing again.
Hey, one thing I will say. Sometimes during the holiday, you do have some of the best price action.
Yeah. That's why I ain't say don't trade it.
Right, yeah.
It damn should be there. But you gotta know what you're doing.
Right. And remember, Monday and Tuesday is one day. So if you fuck up Monday, no, you can't come back to the market until Wednesday. Any questions? What a little different Zoom today. We live.
Thank you, Chris, for being our guinea pig.
Right. We live too.
No problem. Thank y'all. I sent you a message too, E.
Oh, no problem.
Don't open it. Don't open it, please. I'm telling you, don't open that shit, man. Because once you reply, she got your ass. Once you reply, she got your ass, man. Don't reply, man.
Like spam.
Don't even open it. Don't even open it, man. Hey, you reply, you done. It's a wrap.
So Boyd, 2022 mentorship for the newbie?
No, hell no.
Oh, hey, that was perfect. You did the right thing, Chris.
I'll send your husband something.
Okay.
Then I deal with things. I got you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kawhi husband, believe it or not, man. Hey, after the money started rolling in, hey, I told her, I said, hey, your significant other not gonna believe in your journey and believe it's real until it's physical. And for us as Black folks, physical means money. When you can make money, and I always tell people this: it's amazing to get paid from somebody you will never meet. Because she had to prove it, man. This been 5-6 years journey for Kawhi.
Yeah. I just remember I was your first one-on-one. We was
one-on-one, and he was the last one.
And I was the last one.
First and last.
So it's been a while.
But not Kawhi. I would tell you this.
Congrats, Kawhi.
Thank you.
No, but now I tell you this. Now, if you thought the fire was hot before, it's really hot now when your husband learned it. Because now he gonna ask you, Hey, babe, why you blowing up accounts up? I didn't have my account up. I didn't blow my account up. What happened? Now you got to add. Hey, before you only had to answer to Kawhi. Now you got to answer to +1.
Mhm.
Oh, he might have to answer you. If he ain't tightened up.
Well, I was just telling him where I think he'll be, successful is that he's just a lot more disciplined.
Oh yeah, boy, that goes a long way.
Yeah. So
See, that's the difference between me and Ant. Ant is extremely disciplined.
Extremely.
Extremely. I'm coming around. I just got my discipline recently. Well, this year, I finally started finding discipline. But that man up, boy, he's animal with that discipline, bro.
But Kawhi, you're a professional in your 9 to 5. See, this is what I don't understand. She's a professional in her 9 to 5, but the market is kicking her ass.
yeah, you're right. I don't know.
That's constant.
Wait.
In the everyday life is using up all her professionalism.
Right.
So you're looking for escapism and get away from that once you come home.
That's it.
But nope, can't. The market say, I don't give a damn what you've been doing outside of that. You better come here with some discipline. Hey, get to the point. You put your discipline on. No, I ain't gonna say that. Never mind. I'll just say put the discipline on the market and slack at work.
See, like I said, like her husband will catch on a lot quicker than she would. His curve is going to be a lot faster than hers.
Yep.
Yeah, and that's why I don't want to steer him in the wrong direction, as far as, what I
Oh no, you're the wrong direction now because like I told you. Now he gonna ask you them questions. Hey babe, do you still got that account? I don't want to talk about it. Oh no, let's talk about it. Open up the computer, tip to that account. I want to see if you make money like I did this week.
He gonna be your accountability partner.
Right.
He gonna force you to have to do right so you can show him.
Saturday morning when you say, okay, we're gonna take this business meeting to the coffee shop, we're gonna have breakfast and everything, and let's open up the books and see how you did this week. Oh no, I ain't feeling good, babe. I ain't feeling good this week. You weren't feeling good last week, Kawhi. And the week before that. Oh no, I really ain't feeling good now.
No, but you're right. If he stays with it, he'll definitely keep me on my toes. He will.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some furniture moving in New York City.
Yep.
Boyd, I got a question. With that ICT macro, the settings, do you take the midline out and just leave the top and the bottom and the extended line?
Yeah, just the top and the bottom.
And you don't keep the extended line?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Also, Kawhi, your husband gonna be trading in New York or London?
Yeah, good question, he said.
What time London opens?
3 a.m.
No, it won't be 3 a.m.
He say it gonna be that
one. Probably he might be. So he's hybrid, so he might be able to get in New York a little bit.
Yeah. Wednesday.
Okay. Yeah, Wednesday through Friday.
Okay, yeah, good.
Hey, that's the best time because Monday usually a slow day because ain't no news. Yeah, Wednesday through Friday. Yeah.
Catch FOMCs and everything.
Oof. Like I say, Kawhi, man, I pray for you.
Please do. Yeah. I already know.
Y'all got any questions? We live too.
I got one question.
What up, man?
Got to put some on that tonight.
Oh, that University of Miami.
Yeah. So.
Woo.
How bad? Hey, man. You say you think Notre Dame gonna win? I'm trying to see how bad.
Straight up, no cut.
Hey, man.
Straight up, no cut.
Yo, straight up. What you mean? I don't do that. Give me some points.
What's the wager?
I don't know. You tell me. You don't want to say you feel confident that Notre Dame gonna win. I'm trying to see how confident are you.
I got to take profit accounts. I don't even want to take profits.
Hey, bet one of them $50 was the one who no, that's a trailer. I don't want that one, a trailer. We'll talk. We'll talk.
I got you. Hey, we live Tuesday, YouTube. And on that note,